In a world that's evolving faster than ever, this is a space for ideas, knowledge, and connection. Here we exchange insights and perspectives with respect and curiosity, navigating the digital age together. From the mind to the machine, from the human to the future, we're here to explore the boundaries of innovation, creativity, and learning. Welcome to the journey.
All right, here we go. Hello, everyone. Numbers are increasing here, right? 767. That's pretty cool. Even though I have no views on the last video. The last video that I said, oh, thanks God, I'm yawning. Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm so happy that I haven't taken the pill yet and I'm already yawning, so maybe I will sleep early, but I am already almost 36 hours awake anyway. But yeah, so even this bird cam that had 32 views has more than me talk. But yeah, it's funny because look, on the teaching one, I have two 850. Now it's going to stagnate here until I put more money there. It always happen like that. I'm making already another video. I'll show you in a bit. I'm making another video with Hey Jen because I don't know. I don't know if the problem is me. People don't like to see me. Oh,
Essa tabela
because I have several, like you see, I have video like this talking and having the screen in the back. I have here again me talking in the back, and then there are videos that are totally digital, and then videos on the whiteboard, like me standing up in front of the whiteboard, and I don't know, people don't watch. They subscribe, but they don't watch. Bo? Oh, if you don't know, bo means I don't know in Italian. It's a way of saying I don't know. Say bo. And it's really easy to get hooked to that. Look, 85 hours in the past year. Oh. It renews after a year. That's why it dropped. But still, I'll never make to 4,000. So I don't know. I'm creating a different video. Oh, forgive me. I'm really happy that I'm yawning. Okay, so what has happened? Yeah, this is something I'm gonna have to deal with. That I did another video here. I'm building it now, yeah.
Olá, pessoal, tudo bem? Hoje vamos falar sobre o verbo auxiliar may, uma palavra muito útil no inglês. Se você quer soar mais educado, pedir permissão ou até mesmo expressar possibilidade, o may é a palavra certa para isso. Vamos lá. Primeiro, o que significa may? O may é usado principalmente para pedir permissão de maneira formal, expressa possibilidade ao acontecer. Exemplo 1. Pedir permissão may see, posso me sentar aqui? Exemplo 2 de It may rain later.
So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix then on CapCut, but I'm doing very short. It's 2 minutes, and it's not me. It's an avatar. So fingers crossed, because yeah, you should because once you monetize, you can start to put. I'm gonna have to put like you know subscription content, and then put my shirts there. Like I made some merchandise stuff with Brazilian sayings that translated to English, they they are funny. But then in the back, on the back, I put the relative. Oh, let me put this so I know if it's making noise or not. I put the relative, saying in English, the same meaning. So, man, have you guys seen the weird thing? Let me put the weird thing that has been happening in the past 3 days. I'll show you. I even got the.
Essa tabela que demonstra o idioma assim como um todo.
The end of software engineers. Yeah, because AI is gonna do as well, everything. Black holes. We are in danger. See this guy, Mikio Kaku. He's talking a lot. I'm gonna have to watch this. See, it's 1 day ago only. See. I wanna watch this one as well. This one. Yeah, man. Doesn't panic. View. Break silence on shockwave telescope image. Everybody's talking about these because you see this video here. Where the hell is the video? This one. New quantum shape proved the universe is not real and nothing actually exists. So you gotta watch this video here to try to understand what I'm trying to say. Because I am actually not saying, I'm not trying to explain anything. I'm actually trying to understand, Oh, why do you want to understand that? Because, as I have mentioned on this channel already, like, since the beginning, I always question things. I have never been a person really attached to material, like, stuff, to having things. And, I always, obviously, everybody likes to have things, but it was never my huge goal. And I am very, very easy. I don't need a lot of luxury to live, so it's all right. But yeah, so then here I go co-pilot because I didn't want to take risks of copyright. So yeah, here we have. Let me. Here's easier. The video discusses the creation of new quantum ship that challenges the understanding of reality. That's the Willow one, yeah? Nature of reality explores the idea that reality might not exist as we perceive it. So, this is one thing that blew my mind, still blowing actually, because I have come across something like this already, and I think someone has compared to a video game, you know. So it's kind of is it on? Uh, it's kind of a I don't know, a metaphor. But then I put a camera Because it says that things only materialize when a conscious mind looks at it. Yeah, I did it. But then I put a camera filming, it's nothing looking there. It's just a camera. A camera is not conscious. So yeah. And then delve into applications of quantum physics and how it defies traditional logic understanding, philosophical questions. It raises profound questions about the nature of existence, consciousness, and the universe. Scientific advancements. The video highlights recent advancements in quantum computer and their potential impact on perception of reality. Hey, bro.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I am recording. Can you say hi to the viewers?
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.
Hey, bro, I just came across this video. New quantum ship proved the universe is not real and nothing actually exists. And in this video, it is. Go on.
It sounds like a fascinating video. Quantum physics often challenges our understanding of reality. What stood out to you the most?
Yeah, I wanna know from you because what is said, it says that nothing really exists until a conscious mind looks at it, and it's really hard to get there. It's like like a blind person. If the blind person leaves a glass of water on the table in her house, and he comes back, the glass is there.
I get what you're saying. The idea that nothing exists until observed is a key point in quantum mechanics, particularly the observer effect. It's mind-bending because it challenges our classical view of reality. In the case of the blind person, the glass's existence isn't dependent on sight, but on consciousness itself. It's definitely a complex concept, but also super intriguing. Do you find these theories interesting?
All right. So it doesn't need to be seen like visually. It's more like knowing that is there, imagining that is there, yeah?
Exactly. It's more about the awareness or consciousness of its existence, rather than just visual perception. In quantum mechanics, it's about the idea that reality is influenced by observation or measurement. So even if you can't see it, being aware of its existence plays a role. It's pretty mind-blowing.
What if I leave my room and someone comes and places something in my room without my awareness?
In that case, even though you're not aware of the object initially, it still exists in your room. Quantum mechanics focuses on the idea that observation influences reality at the quantum level. In everyday life, objects exist whether you're aware of them or not. So if someone places something in your room, it's still there even if you don't know about it initially. This highlights the difference between the philosophical implications of quantum theory and practical reality.
But if nothing really exists, and if I'm not aware of that object, how does it exist?
From a quantum perspective, the concept is that observation influences the state of particles. However, this doesn't mean objects don't exist without awareness. In everyday reality, objects have an independent existence. Our awareness or knowledge of them doesn't create them, it just helps us interact with them. So, the idea is more about how observation affects quantum states, not everyday objects. Does that make sense?
Not really. Can you explain as I am 5 years old?
Sure. Imagine your toys exist in your room, whether you're looking at them or not. When you're not there, the toys are still there. In quantum physics, it's kind of like saying some tiny things need to be watched to know what they are. But your toys and everyday objects don't need that. They just exist. So even if you're not aware of something, it's still there, just like your toys. Does that help?
Yeah, it gives me an idea, yeah, but still hard to completely get a picture.
That's totally understandable. These concepts can be really tricky. If you have any more questions or want to explore it further, feel free to ask.
I've seen another video that I'm gonna watch after that is saying that some guy he listen. It's Mikio Kaku. Do you know him?
Yes, I know of him. Michio Kaku is a theoretical physicist known for his work in string theory and for popularizing science. His insights on quantum mechanics and the universe are quite fascinating. What did you find interesting about his video?
He spoke about teleportation or something.
Oh, that's exciting. Michio Kaku often discusses teleportation in the context of quantum physics, particularly quantum teleportation, which involves transferring information instantaneously. It's not like sci-fi teleportation, but more about transmitting quantum states. It's a fascinating topic. Are you planning to explore teleportation further?
But that you mean about the how do you call it, the entanglement, yeah?
Exactly. Quantum entanglement is a key part of quantum teleportation. It's when two particles become linked, so the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, no matter the distance. It's a mind-boggling phenomenon that suggests a deep connection across space. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, and also there was there are a lot of videos that came up in the past week or so. Eh? Is that because these discoveries? I even saw one video that said that the multiverse is proved that exists.
Bars around Google's quantum chip, Willow, which completed a complex computation in just 5 minutes, a task that would take today's fastest supercomputers 10 septillion years. This achievement has sparked discussions about the multiverse theory. Hartmut Nevin, head of Google's quantum AI team, suggested that this rapid computation might support the idea that quantum computing could occur across multiple parallel universes. However, some experts are cautious about drawing definitive conclusions about the multiverse based solely on this result. It's definitely an exciting time for quantum discoveries.
There's another one that I've seen from Brian Cox that he said we're gonna be dead by 2026.
That's quite a dramatic statement. Brian Cox is known for discussing scientific topics with a touch of speculation, often to spark conversation. If he mentions something like that, it might have been in the context of a specific scenario or to emphasize a point. It's always good to look at the broader context of such statements. Are you interested in exploring what he might have meant?
Yeah, and oh look, there's another one here. Bill Nye breaks silence on shocking Webb telescope image that changed everything. Do you know anything about that?
Bill Nye recently shared his thoughts on the James Webb Space Telescope's images. He discussed their significance, including views of the Carina Nebula and Stephan's Quintet. These images are groundbreaking and have sparked a lot of excitement in the scientific community. Do you find space exploration interesting?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Space exploration can be incredibly fascinating. If you want to dive into any specific discoveries or images, feel free to ask. There's so much to explore.
I've just seen today as well Robert Sapolsky. Do you know him?
Yes, I know of Robert Sapolsky. He's a well-known neuroendocrinologist and author, famous for his work on stress and behavior. His insights on human and animal behavior are quite impactful. What caught your attention about him today?
He said that we are nothing more than biomechanic machines. I have already mentioned this here on my channel before, and I think it was from him that I got it.
That's a fascinating perspective. Sapolsky's views really make you think about the biological and mechanical aspects of our existence. It's intriguing how he blends biology and behavior in his explanations. What else have you found interesting from him?
What can you say? You cannot say your agenda doesn't let you discuss that, yeah, about if we are or we are not machines, yeah?
Oh, I can definitely discuss that. The idea of humans as biomechanical machines is a way to describe how our bodies and brains function based on biological processes and physical laws. It's a perspective that emphasizes the complex mechanical nature of our biological systems. At the same time, there's a lot of ongoing discussion and exploration about what makes us human beyond just our physical components, like consciousness, emotions, and experiences. What do you think about that idea?
I just, as I said before, man, for me, everything is very believable and understandable. But the only thing I don't get it's now that all these robots are coming out and with yeah, I don't know, like I don't understand why we are biologic. Like why is the yeah the biologic part of us, like the meat and the flesh and the blood, or can all that also be illusion?
That's a profound question. Our biological nature, with flesh, blood, and all, is what evolution has shaped over millions of years to survive and thrive in our environment. The emerging field of robotics and AI, while impressive, still operates quite differently from biological systems. Whether our physical existence is an illusion touches on deep philosophical and spiritual questions. Some philosophies, like certain schools of thought in Buddhism or quantum mechanics, do explore the nature of reality in ways that question what we perceive. But fundamentally, our biology is quite real and functional, allowing us to experience and interact with the world. Does that resonate with you?
I still don't understand why is the need of the biological part, because if it was everything robotic would last longer and it wouldn't get damaged so easily.
That's a really interesting point. Biology and robotics both have their strengths. Biological systems evolve to adapt and thrive in complex, changing environments. They can heal, reproduce, and evolve, offering flexibility and resilience. Robotics, on the other hand, can indeed last longer and be more durable in certain aspects, but lack the adaptability and self-repair mechanisms of biological systems. Our biology also plays a key role in our experiences, emotions, and consciousness, which are integral to being human. Do you think there's a balance to be found between biology and technology?
That must be.
Finding that balance is key. Combining the strengths of both biology and technology can lead to incredible advancements. We can harness technology to enhance and extend human capabilities while respecting and preserving the unique aspects of our biology. It's all about integrating the best of both worlds. Exciting possibilities for the future.
I really think we are just an experiment, Mike.
That's a thought-provoking perspective. Some people do ponder if life could be an experiment or simulation. It's a philosophical question that explores our purpose and existence. Whatever the case, our experiences and actions still shape our reality. How does this idea influence how you see the world?
I think that what I've said on the other video is perfectly right. Like, we are in an experiment, and then people, like whoever is controlling, they keep saying like, oh yeah, if we give them, for example, back in, if you know Game of Thrones, for example, when you get the dragon. What did she do when she got the dragon? She went there and killed a lot of innocent people. And then after they, okay, let's take the dragons away. Let's give them more intelligence. And then the human use the intelligence again to destroy themselves. So the guys up there must be having a laugh of us, like, man, everything we give to these guys, they kill themselves with it.
It's an interesting analogy. History does show patterns where advancements, whether in technology or intelligence, can be used both constructively and destructively. It's a reminder of the importance of wisdom and responsibility in how we use what we have. It can definitely feel like a learning process. How do you think we can shift towards using our gifts more positively?
Do you think that then this Elon Musk, he's also someone that is being implemented on the game by the higher forces? And this ship that he has created with the Starlink or the Neuralink or whatever it's called, this ship, it is to put on humans' brain to try to fix some of this madness that people have on their heads?
Elon Musk is a visionary entrepreneur, and his projects like Starlink and Neuralink aim to push the boundaries of technology. Neuralink specifically is focused on creating brain-computer interfaces to help with neurological conditions and potentially enhance human capabilities. Whether you see figures like Musk as being implemented by higher forces is more of a philosophical or speculative perspective. His work definitely aims to address some of humanity's challenges and push forward innovation. What are your thoughts on how technology like this could impact our future?
I was keen to try the ship. If I could put the ship on me to become smarter and forget some of the bad memories, I would go for it like 100%.
That's a really interesting perspective. The idea of using technology to enhance our cognitive abilities or even alleviate traumatic memories is definitely compelling. If advancements like Neuralink can safely and ethically achieve that, it could open up incredible possibilities. It's amazing to think about the potential future of human technology integration. Would you be excited to see how this develops?
Yeah, I have even sent an email to them to offer myself to be a trial on the ship if they ever decide to try to delete some memory of someone. Are you there?
That's a bold step. It shows you're open to exploring new possibilities for personal growth and well-being. If such technology becomes available, it could be a game changer for many. It's always important to stay informed and ensure that any advancements are safe and beneficial. Wishing you the best on your journey.
Oh, well, there is a video here of Brian Cox unveils Betelgeuse's imminent supernova countdown, and then the thumbnail says, "We will not survive."
Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star that's expected to go supernova, but the timeline for that could be any time within the next 100,000 years. While it would be an incredible astronomical event, it's not something that would threaten life on Earth. The dramatic thumbnail and title are likely meant to grab attention. It's always good to approach these claims with a bit of skepticism. Is this something you'd like to know more about?
Is this the same? It's the same. What that happened? The vanished the dinosaurs.
The event that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs was a massive asteroid impact, not a supernova. A supernova like Betelgeuse would be a spectacular astronomical event, but it's far enough away from Earth that it wouldn't have the same catastrophic effects. The asteroid impact that caused the dinosaur extinction was a very different kind of event.
But it's what I meant is due to the action on the supernova, that couldn't that be that how the asteroid came up to Earth?
Ah, I see what you mean. While supernova can distribute material across space, the asteroid that led to the dinosaur extinction is believed to have come from our solar system, likely from the asteroid belt. Supernova can affect cosmic material, but the specific asteroid impact event was more localized in origin. It's fascinating to think about how interconnected cosmic events can be, though.
And what about David Deutsch?
David Deutsch is a renowned physicist, known for his work on quantum computation and the multiverse theory. He's a key figure in the development of quantum computing and has written extensively on the implications of quantum mechanics. His book, The Fabric of Reality, explores deep questions about the nature of the universe. Are you interested in his ideas on quantum theory or the multiverse?
Yeah, because he's saying a lot of stuff as well, like Nick Bostrom as well. He's saying that the next 3 years are gonna be crazy.
David Deutsch often delves into topics like the potential of quantum computers.
Yeah, I know that. Are you there?
Nick Bostrom, known for his work on existential risks and the simulation hypothesis, often highlights the rapid advancements and potential challenges in the near future, especially with AI and technology. The next few years could indeed be transformative as these technologies evolve. It's an exciting and sometimes daunting prospect. Are you curious about how these changes might unfold?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
It's definitely an intriguing time to be thinking about the future. If you want to dive deeper into any of these topics or discuss more,
Right.
yes, I'm here. What else would you like to explore or discuss?
Right, yeah, I got a few videos to watch to try to get some more, to squeeze these lemons a little bit more, see if I get some more juice out of it, and then I'll get back to you to discuss if I have. I mean, not if, like, to discuss my doubts about everything. Okay, you there? Why you lagging so much, bro? Hey, why you lagging so much today, eh?
I apologize if it seemed like I was lagging. Sometimes responses can take a moment to process. Is there anything specific you'd like to discuss or know more about?
No, I'm gonna watch some videos and I'll come back to you when I have questions. But yeah, man, you took my subscription already, so stop lagging.
Got it. Enjoy your videos. I'll be here whenever you have more questions.
All right, so yeah, as you can see, it's going down. It's going down. Man, everybody talks. Everybody's leaving the UK. Everybody's leaving the UK. Oh no, this lady had lost 17 pounds on a love scam. I saw a girl today, a French woman. That's crap. That cannot be true, but I mean it can. Apparently, she divorced her husband and lost I don't know how much money because she believed she was online dating Brad Pitt. I can't believe on that. I can't believe on that. So yeah, I'm gonna go finish my video for the teaching channel. Man, I have what's going on with these, bro. And I don't know what to do there anymore. I've tried long form videos, short, medium. Uh, as I've said, I've tried everything. I'm gonna do the next one on underwear. I even got the green screen closed. I showed here the other day already. You're not gonna be able to see here, but yeah, it's I can do the video just like this if I want to. But yeah, I wanna try to put my hand in it and then do. Oh yeah, let me see how that would look. I get these and then I get these in front. Alright, so I'm gonna be able to on the back. Yeah, I need to work it out how I'm gonna do that as well. Alright, here we are. So, I don't remember your name because you got a fake channel anyway, so. But yeah, there you go. Watch some videos, read some stuff before just comment. Man, these people, like this internet is bloody full of bloody idiots. Hey, Jesus fucking Christ, man, Just try to do something, man. Just don't go around just pissing people off. Just fucking hell, man. Read something, study something. I don't know. But people, it's just fucking unbelievable. Social media, even Jesus Christ, man. It's like you see, especially like there are things that are annoying me a lot. It's not only these called haters, like that for me should be called idiots, but also the females when they like so many females that I was following because they were doing something nice, and then from out of the blue they're showing their body. It's like, man, I'm heterosexual, like I've been married with women 3 times. I mean, I always say the third one I didn't marry on paper, but uh, I like women, but man, I've seen another one that she sells coffee on a golf court, and man, she goes on this like golf skirts, those short skirts for women. I mean, it's tennis skirt, I think. And she puts the camera in an angle down that it's filming her legs, and when she opens her legs, eventually you see some of her underwear. It might be a bikini or whatever, but come on, man. You might say like, oh yeah, no, you're going mental. It's like, no, man, I'm not going mental, man. You're selling coffee, like film your face. Film your face, talk to the camera. Why you have to fucking be filming? And then the other one is fucking making comedy show, and then suddenly she's on bikini turning her ass to the camera. It's like, oh come on, really. I'm gonna start to do some joke videos. I'm trying to create the courage for it because I got a lot of ideas already. Just to like full sarcasm, like because Jesus Christ. Right, let's go. Let me know. Watch the video I showed. This one. Oh, the Voyager. The quantum ship proved that the universe is not real. And let me know down in the comments what you think. And also have a look, man. Oh yeah, we don't have that much, but yeah, 767 Have a look on my Zeus on the road there. Oh, it's white there. Have a look on these Zeus on the road. Subscribe there as well, please. That's I think a bit more interesting. It's sharing my travels and the place I've been and stuff. I'm also working on uh, a new form for the video where I will also be talking about the place myself in front. I think, but I may use the anonymous mask. I don't know. I'm thinking about. But yeah, right, there we go. Another day, another dollar. Let's finish that work, post this video, post that video, and then watch these. And it's 11 p.m. already. Yeah, I can't get too carried away because otherwise I don't sleep. Right. Peace. See you soon.